Welcome back on the channel. Today we got an interesting video between Redmi Note 8T and Redmi Note 8 Pro. So today we're gonna do a speed test between these two phones. We're gonna find out which one is faster and you can make an opinion of which one you can buy. So we got Redmi Note 8T on the left and Redmi Note 8 Pro on the right. And before running the test, I just want to say a few things about these two phones. So we got Android 9 Pie on the both phones, MIUI 10 also. So the main difference is that the chipset from Redmi Note 8T, it's a Snapdragon 665 on 11 nanometers. And on the other side we got an Mediatek Helio G90T on 12 nanometers. Also this one, it's coming with this game speed booster, which actually I did turn it off because we don't have these options on Redmi Note 8T, so try to make this test quite fair. And also Redmi Note 8T is coming with 4 GB of RAM and 64 of storage, and this Redmi Note 8 Pro is coming with 6 GB of RAM and 128 of storage. So we got 4 GB of RAM against 6 GB of RAM on 8 Pro. Also, for any of these two phones, I didn't activate any NFC because now Redmi Note 8T support NFC, and I'm gonna show you here NFC, so it's not turned on the moment. Also, no location, no GPS active on any of these two phones, and I didn't turn off any animation for any of these two phones. So we're just gonna run a few apps and games. We're gonna see which one is faster in opening all of them, and maybe we can do the second round. We'll see which one can keep these apps and games better on the background. So we're gonna start with the first app, which is calendar. We're gonna start with the easiest one, and finally we'll get to the hard one, the games. Call of Duty. Okay, so calendar on 3, 2, 1. Wow, was slightly faster on Redmi Note 8 Pro. I have to say, when I press on this Note 8T, it's not quite right because the camera, it's on the side, and because of that, when I press, it's not very stable. On the other side, Redmi Note 8 Pro has got the camera right on the middle, so it doesn't affect that much. So anyway, I want to show you before is no apps in the background except this first app that I just turn it on. Moving on, Play Store on 3, 2, 1. We got Note 8 Pro. Looks like 8 Pro again. 8 Pro is coming again. Let's see which one. 8 Pro again, followed by 8T. I haven't run any Antutu benchmark test on this 8T, so I don't know what score is gonna have. On the other side, you can see 287,000 points for 8 Pro, which is amazing. Okay, 8 Pro again. Seems that 8 Pro, it's a champion on this test at this moment. We're gonna test the speed test. We'll see which one can download faster. Okay, we got 35 megabytes. Let's see the upload now. Would be around 17, 18 probably. Okay, almost 18. So we got 35 for 8 Pro. Let's have a look on 8T on this moment. Oh, look at the speed on 8T. Wow. It's more than double than 8 Pro. Interesting. And the upload should be the same. So the download, it's amazing for 8 Pro. Wow, amazing, yeah. More than double. Okay, moving on. Okay, I think we got 8 Pro again. 8 Pro again. 8 Pro again. 8 Pro again. So is no chance for 8T at all. This 8 Pro, it's really amazing. Yeah, that's it. Did open again. Wow. Moving on the game. Maybe it would be different here. But no, this 8 Pro just starts straight away. It's quite powerful phone for the price. And actually the price for the both phones are quite similar. It's not too bad, honestly. It's around £200 or $220 for 8T and 200 maybe $50 for or $60 for 8 Pro. But this 8 Pro is doing a great job. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, look at this straight away. Oh my god. On any of my tests, the second phone did open at least one app. So this 8T didn't open any app against 8 Pro. Wow, interesting, yeah. So it's definitely a winner, this Redmi Note 8 Pro. It's probably top of the line of this Note family at this moment. Okay, so we got also, let's play a guest. Anyway, 8 Pro did open the game faster than 8T. Okay, and now we're just gonna open a few more apps and games and we're gonna try to do it random maybe, and let's see which one can keep them faster, better on the background. So let's try this one. Okay, Redmi 8 Pro game. Yeah, 8 Pro again, followed by 8T. 8 Pro again. 8 Pro again. No chance for... Oh, look at this. It's instant. Look, it's instant for 8 Pro. Yeah, that's it. Wow, this is amazing. So did Redmi 8 Pro open all the apps and games, even keep them better on the background? So this 8T had no chance against this monster, let's say budget monster, mid-range monster. Yeah, Redmi Note 8 Pro did a very good job. So we're gonna test in a speed test this Redmi Note 8 Pro against Galaxy A50. If you are interested to see that video soon. Also, we're gonna test this Redmi Note 8T against that Galaxy A50. But at this moment, this is the monster. This is the winner of this battle between Redmi Note 8T and Redmi Note 8 Pro. So thank you for watching. I hope you make an opinion about these two phones and share your thoughts in the comment section. So thank you and see you soon.